Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to use Google Maps. Google Maps is a powerful navigation and mapping application that provides directions, real-time traffic updates, local business information and much more. Here is a tutorial on how to use Google Maps on your phone. If you don't have Google Maps installed, download and install it from the Google Play Store. After that, open the Google Maps, search for location, use the search bar at the top to type the name or address of the location you want to find. After that, tap on the desired location on the map or select it from the search results and tap on directions. After that, choose your mode of transportation. Before getting directions, choose your preferred mode of transportation, example car, walking, biking and public transit. Follow the on-screen instruction to start navigation.
Head north. Continue for 800 meters.
Google Maps will provide real-time direction and voice guidance. Explore nearby places. Tap on the layers icon at the bottom right to explore additional options such as restaurant, gas station and more. You can save your home and work location or any other favorite places for quick access. Share your location. Tap on your profile picture. Then tap on location sharing. After that, tap on share location. You can share your real-time location with your friends. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.